Hey everyone, welcome back to graphic design. We're in week 3 this week. So taking a little weekly preview at our week, we're starting off our week with a day in the life assignment. This is going to introduce a day-to-day lifestyle of a graphic designer, and there's a little reflection you're going to do on that assignment. Then you guys are going to be introduced into watermarks. Watermarks are something that's very important when it comes to graphic design. They're used quite frequently. So it gives you a little history, tips and tricks about watermarks, and then also a project for you to start creating your own watermark. If you guys have any questions along your way this week, please do not hesitate to reach out. I hope you enjoy your short week and enjoy your Thanksgiving break. Please be sure to tune in to the assembly on Wednesday at 10:30. Otherwise, I will see you guys next week. Take care.